Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ò ní lárí, ò dẹ̀ lọ́pọlọ, ò ráyé wá Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. How can I be dragging someone that has multiple businesses when I'm not mad? When Ìyábọ̀ Òjó supposed to utilize her time, her life, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó was busy jumping from Lizzy Anjorin's case from one to another, desperate looking for what we pull down Lizzy Anjorin. In other way around, Lizzy was busy building her own life and the lives of her children. Bí ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi rẹ́ǹtì láti ìgbà tí mo ti wà lábúlé Ẹ̀gbá ní Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ti ń bully mi. Mo lọ kọ́ shopping mall sórí 1 acre. When I'm not daft, how can I be using my own glory for rich people to make money?
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa Lizzy Anjorin má tún ti jáde wá fún Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, Lizzy Anjorin sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ nípa Ìyábọ̀ Òjó nínú fídíò yìí, bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni ó tún apologize PHYNA nínú fídíò yìí. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká wá nǹkan fìdílé kí a gbọ́ nǹkan tí Lizzy Anjorin sọ nínú fídíò yìí.
Gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ń tì mí pé kí n jáde tí mi ò bá wá ṣe show fún yín, tí n bá tún ṣàánú kádàrá yín pé a máa dẹ̀ ti fi ipo for kádàrá àwọn pípù yìí tán. Mo ti lọ sọ́nà méjì mẹ́ta lénìí, mo ti lọ ṣiṣẹ́ owó. Ìwọ òde ṣiṣẹ́ owó wá jókòó sórí live, ó jókòó sórí social media. Ó tún lọ ń sọ pé wọ́n ti arrest Lizzy tó ń fi ẹ́ pa owó. Ẹ ti wáyé wá ròrùn ẹgbẹ́ yín sẹ́yìn blackmailers. Now, back to Ọ̀dùnkún mọ́ṣúárì. Sórí ìwọ náà mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu mi gbà kan ṣubú ni. Bí mo finish Ìyábọ̀ mo ṣe máa finish ẹ. Ó mọ̀ pé mo ti sọ fún ẹ̀yin blackmailers wípé mo ti dáríjì yín ní 4 to 5 times. Mo ti ní pé tẹ́ bá wá padà wá, kò bá jọ mọ̀ kókó ló wá máa wá fún yín. Ṣó wá rí tó bá ń wá fún mi nísìn tí mi ò bá dé lóhùn, torí kò sí nǹkan kan tó tóbi tó máa dùn ẹ́, so máa dúró patiently. Anything tó bá ṣe fún mi gbèsè ni. Ọ̀dùnkún mọ́ṣúárì, ṣó mọ̀ pé baby father wà in prison. Baby father wà in prison. Àbọ̀ mọ̀ pé baby father wà in prison. Nǹkan tó máa ń funny ni pé ẹ̀yin tí ayé yín pin yìnkì lẹ máa lọ ń ṣe show fáwọn tí ò rí ti yín rò. Èmi ń ṣe show wo bí tí mo jókòó sí nsìn. Ó rí pé mi ò lo makeup, mi ò lo nǹkan kan. Bí mo ṣe wà mo ń polówó ọjà. Èyí tó bá show fún nínú yín kó dirun bí mo ṣe dirun yìí. Èyí tó bá ti show fún nínú yín kó má lo filter, kó ṣe bí mo ṣe ra jókòó ìmọ̀ ṣe polówó ọjà lọ. If Lizzy Anjorin did not come for them, they will be the one looking for me. Ibẹ̀lẹ̀ tí máa mọ̀ wípé wọn ò fẹ́ràn ara wọn. Àwọn náà kógun jára wọn. Wọn ò dẹ̀ fẹ́ ìsinmi fúnra wọn. Ibẹ̀lẹ̀ tí máa mọ̀. Tó bá yẹ pé wọ́n fẹ́ ìsinmi fúnra wọn. Ẹni tó ń ba iṣẹ́ yín jẹ́, tó ń tú àṣírí yín. The video that I posted today, some people are seeing it for the first time. So Ìyábọ̀ Òjó mọ̀ fi òkú àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ gba donation ni. Basira Baseje, jókòó sínú pósí Mohbad. Some people are seeing a video for the first time. Shalanga UK, Izzy Odeigbe, people are seeing a video for the first time that he has been blackmailing people for donations. Izzy Odeigbe confessed. She said she lived on social media's money. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó confessed that she lives on social media's money. All these blackmailers confessed in today's video that I posted. Do you know how many years I kept some of you's video? Do you know destructive materials that a lot of Nigerians do not know that I have? Kí lẹ fẹ́ sọ nípa Lizzy? Ta ló ti Lizzy mọ́lé? Mo jẹ yín ní gbèsè. Àbí ẹ ra lẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ mi ò deliver lẹ̀ fún yín. Àbí mo lọ fún strangers. Then mo fẹ́ fàsìkò yìí tí kí lorúkọ ọmọ yìí PHYNA or something PHYNA. let me pray for you. You've made a mistake. Heaven will stand by you. You've made a terrible mistake already. But I pray for you tonight that God will stand for you and for the family. My sincere condolence to your family. I was not being fair out of anger. The show I did for yesterday, I was not being fair because you never came for me. I was not being fair. But heaven sees my heart that I was pained that you lost your sister. I was pained that you fell for that cheap trick. So if my words hurt you in any form, if you see my video, I am, deeply sorry about that. I just feel, as a mother, you should know that Lizzy or IYABO OJO, they can never offer you anything. And you should know that they will use your sister's life to play any game to get back at very dark man. For that reason alone, is enough for you to stand by or to stand with VDM without doubt. VDM may not be a perfect person. He's a young boy. But better still, he has been doing what some elderly people, what they've not been able to do. Everybody, we are not perfect. We have our good side and we have our bad side. You've never done any show for me. I was angry with you with what you did. But I understand that you are in the situation. A lot of people may expect you to perform better or to behave better. But you are in a situation whereby you thought a lot of people want to help you, but no, they are your enemy. Your case is not different from what happened to me in 2019. 2019, when IYABO OJO lied against me that I caused a child, of which this lover was begging me for money, and this lover has collected the document of my house. And Esabod came online pretending as if she was supporting me, but she was working with IYABO OJO. When people saw me, no, someone like an elderly man spoke to me that